So I was planning on doing a live, but I forgot. This is a very blown coat, and we're using a super coarse. You can see it falls off. This is Thea, by the way. She's 8 years old. I spayed a year ago, or 1.5 years ago. And we started out by raking the coat to get the worst out. But she's shedding, so I guess it's time to get it off. And it's very loose. As you can see, and this, by the way, is a very hard coat, and there's no breakage. And she doesn't give a fuck. But it's very, very loose, and she is very dirty on night. It comes off completely clean. And we're doing a full strip and not anything line work. We just, I don't mind she's laying down. It's very easy for me to do. And she can have a nap while we do it. It's just about keeping the coat tight and then pull all the hair out. This is not anything near a show broom or keeping the rough coat. It's dead because I think she's groomed last time in November. Other than that, she's been raked a couple of times and sanitary clips, but that's it. Of course, she gets brushed and kept clean or not, but there's not been done anything to the coat as such. It just gets to be coat. But now it's getting warm, and she's getting warm, and she's shedding like crazy. So now we take it off. Let's take it off. Oh, perfect. Mangoes. Yeah. When the coat gets to just broom out, They're also like, oh, please take it off when we get to it. Mm. I'm not moving like by hand because I simply can't do that physically. It's too hard in the hands. I'm going to do a little break.